Abaayendikisa izoba harimo Isingiro wa Bukanga oyine bendera ya NRM, Lilian Ruteraho oyine bendera ya NRM abakazi b'Isingiro, Julius Tumuhimbise wa Bukanga North n'abandi. Bwanyuma yo kukambibwa abagamba bimwe ahaba barikwenda kukorera abantu babo.
Aganisa abantu ba Bukanga North ngo bitwakozereho mwabirebere turukutandikira umuyusa nari yeminyeto turukugezaho kubakorera league y'empira and a professional one nango tukagitandikaho kare ku rugomeruka kugira ngo kiyamba abana bitu kuba active bakafuna leadership skills nango bakarga no mitwe mbinke yo kunywenjayi naro kuzomba intu binge byakubasa kubaretera endwarambi
Bukanga tirabanga ko ruguto rwa Florence ya defa barwana mu rutaro rwa leta no government rwa kumurwenda sanfu mwenda yebamu abarwana mu rutaro rwa kumurwenda cyane mutano tifirwa abantu abawere 13 ecyaro kimunga kigaragara wano Bukanga cyafirwa abantu 13 abantu bafa wano jora bate wari mu stadium na rujo ne yafirwa abantu ngeno neke wunyisa ntiye rujo ne mu esinga yo bwavu abantu batwine ne mukamwange bwemba kunyonyora tonyiza nakushikiriza
kubbo bululu okwakurwanagana okuta abantu okoche motoka kale nga enganda ziyingide aho ne tugamba nti it is the right time okujja yedobozi lyafe ne tujumirira eyenkole embi DP eri wano mu Isingiro okutereza buli kimu.
I want to congratulate my man. Isingiro West, please guys vote for the young man. We want young leaders. The time is now. Today is his day, guys. Today is his day. The time is now.
Chokumaza chabyona enkuto ziri kubi okuzibire ziri last 20 years nato nekweziri.
Omugandi polisi y'ekyanga kya Rwenzori East mu district ya Kasese yahamya okuhandika barikwenda entebe y'obunyishingiro kwatambura kurungi ahize bari okubanza.
We did not register any incident related to security. All the candidates followed the Electoral Commission guidelines, and we pray that they maintain the status quo following the guidelines and also to cooperate with the security.
Bamwe mu baayendikisa erizoba harimo Dr. Crispus Yonga wabireho minisita w'ebyokwerinda n'ebyamagara kandi oyine bendera y'ekibiina kya NRM ahabwa Buronzo West Sara Isungu omwishenjero kazi ahabwa Kasese district n'abandi.
We are going to focus on improving the agricultural sector because most of the people are in the agricultural sector. In the case of Kasese and particularly Bukonzo West, the main agricultural activity is coffee farming.
So I request all Banyarwenzuru and Banyarwenzuru Kari to continue with the message of peace and coexistence so that we can work as a team, as a district of Kasese, and deliver the NRM Act.
We are aware that the largest percentage of people in Uganda is now 72 for the youth, and those are the people who are not having jobs, but not the fact that government has not provided the jobs. The government has tried its best to provide an environment where everyone can create even a job.
I'm going to advocate for socio-economic development. I will request government to put in place things like mini irrigation schemes so that people can have harvests throughout the year.
Today I have been nominated only to accomplish whatever I did not do, whatever remained undone, despite the fact that I was replaced by another member of parliament.
Gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya na Gilbert Muhanguzi.